Hello and welcome to SEHYOG 11 Plus Help Club videos. In this video, we are going to discuss a few solutions from the paper MR11 for year 5. So let us look at question number 25. The temperature at 8 p.m. is 9.3 degrees centigrade. By midnight, it falls to 3.6 degrees centigrade. And it falls by the same amount again by 5 a.m. What is the temperature at 5 a.m.? So we subtract 3.6 from 9.3 and we find out that how much has the temperature fallen at midnight. So we can see that the temperature has fallen by 5.7 degrees. So what will be the temperature at 5 a.m. if it falls by 5.7 degrees again from the temperature at midnight? So 3.6 minus 5.7. So we will subtract a larger number from a smaller number. So we will get a negative answer, but we will subtract as it is. So here I have done the subtraction, you can see, and the answer 5.7 minus 3.6, 7 minus 6, 1, 5 minus 3, 2. So final answer is negative 2.1 degree Celsius. That is our final answer. Question number 24. The average temperature measured yesterday in 5 different cities are given. So arrange the cities in order from coldest to hottest. So the more negative the temperature is, it is colder, right? So the coldest temperature is negative 12.4 degree Celsius. Hotter than that is negative 5.4 degree Celsius. Hotter than that is negative 5.1 degree Celsius. Hotter than that is 2.4 degree Celsius. So we have completed negative values. Now it's positive. So a smaller number means like this. It will be arranged like integers. So Toronto is coldest, followed by New York. Then hotter than that is Berlin. Then hotter than that is London. And then finally Sydney. Question number 23. The temperature in New Delhi is 28 degree Celsius, whereas the temperature in Helsinki is minus 12 degrees Celsius. What is the difference in the temperature between the two cities? So we have 28 degrees, that is positive, and minus 12, that is negative. So from 0, we have to calculate the total distance by adding up the two numbers. So 28 plus 12 equal to 40. So the difference between the two cities is 40 degrees. Question number 22. The temperature is 2 degrees Celsius warmer than yesterday, but it is 7 degrees Celsius cooler than the temperature predicted for tomorrow. If it will be 22 degrees Celsius tomorrow, what was the temperature yesterday? So from tomorrow's temperature, we are subtracting 7 degrees since it is cooler to get today's temperature. So 22 minus 7 gives us 15. So 15 degrees Celsius is the temperature of today. Now the temperature today is 2 degrees Celsius warmer than yesterday. So, which means that yesterday was 2 degrees cooler than today. So, that's why 15 degrees Celsius, today's temperature, cooling it down by 2 degrees, so minus 2 gives us 13 degrees Celsius. So, yesterday it was 13 degrees Celsius. Today's temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, and that is 2 degrees warmer than yesterday. Question number 18. Usain Bolt runs 400 meter at a speed of 10 meter per second. Michael Johnson runs 400 meters at a speed of 5 meter per second. How many more seconds does Michael Johnson take than Usain Bolt to run 400 meters? So, here we will first find the time taken by Usain Bolt. Time is equal to distance divided by the speed. So, 400 divided by 10, and that gives us 40 seconds. So, if Usain Bolt is running 40 seconds, each second running 10 meters, he will run 400 meters. So, Michael Johnson takes how much time? So, 400 meters divided by his speed, that gives us 80. So, 80 seconds. Michael Johnson takes 80 seconds. How many more seconds does he take than Usain Bolt? So, 80 minus 40, that is 40 seconds more than Usain Bolt. Question number 17. A car leaves London at 8:30 a.m. arrives at Edinburgh at 5:30 p.m. If the car travels at an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour, what is the distance between London and Edinburgh? So, we will first find out how much time duration is from 8:30 am to 5:30 pm. So, 5:30 pm in 24-hour format, we are adding 12 hours with it. So, 12 hours plus 5 hours means it gives us 17 hours. So, 17 hours 30 minutes. From there, we are subtracting 8:30 am in the 24-hour format, that is 8:30 itself, because it is before 12 o'clock. So, we are subtracting them, 30 minus 30, so no minutes left, and 17 minus 8 gives us 9 hours. So, which means that the time taken is 9 hours and the speed is 75 kilometers per hour. So, the distance is the speed, that is per hour, 75 kilometers travelled, multiplied by the number of hours travelled, 75 multiplied by 9. So, which means it is speed multiplied by the time. 75 times 9 gives us 675 kilometers. So, the answer is 675 kilometers. Question number 14. Vanya is walking at a constant speed of 3 kilometers per hour. How long will it take to walk a distance of 7 kilometers? Give your answer in hours and minutes. So, the speed is 3 kilometers per hour. And this is a very important kind of question because you have to express the time broken up in hours and minutes format. So, the distance is 7 kilometers. Dividing it by the speed, we will get the time taken in hours. That is 7 divided by 3 hours. Now, we will first divide 7 by 3 and acquire the mixed fraction form. So, 3 times 2 is 6, 1 is remainder. So, 2 whole number, 1 over 3. So, 2 whole number means 2 hours. And 1 over 3 fraction stands for a fraction of the hour. So, to find it in minutes, we will multiply with 60. 60 divided by 3, or 1/3 of 60, is equal to 20. So, 20 minutes. 2 hours and 20 minutes is our answer. Now, in question number 13, James cycled a distance of 20 miles in 2.5 hours and then ran 4 miles in 1.5 hours. What is the average speed for the whole journey? So, average speed can be found by total distance dividing by total time. Total distance is 20 miles plus 4 miles, that is 24 miles. And total time taken is 2.5 plus 1.5 hours. So 2 plus 1 is 3 hours and half plus half is another 1 hour. So 4 hours. 24 miles divided by 4 hours. So 24 divided by 4 miles per hour. That is 6 miles per hour, which is the average speed of the whole journey. In question number 8, write the first 3 numbers of the sequence whose nth term is 3n minus 1. So, we will first take n equal to 1 and find out 3 times n, that is 3 times 1 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2. So, the first term of the sequence is 2. Now, in same way, we will put n equal to 2. 3 times 2 minus 1. So, 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So, second term is 5. Again, we will put n equal to 3. 3 times 3 minus 1, so 9 minus 1, 8. In question number 7, which of the following sequences can be formed from the given rule for the nth term? So the nth term rule is given 4n minus 1. So now we will start putting from n equal to 1. We will assume that n equal to 1 and find out what is the first term of the sequence. So 4 times 1 minus 1. So 4 times 1, 4 minus 1, 3. Now we will put n equal to 2. So if we put 2, 4 times 2 minus 1. So that is 8 minus 1, 7. Finally putting n equal to 3. That is 4 times 3 minus 1. So 12 minus 1 and that will be 11. So we can see that I have cancelled out the ones which start with 5. We are left with only the ones with 3 and then we can see that the second term 3, 7, then 11 and the final term is 15. So 3, 7, 11, 15. Question number 6. Which of the following sequence can be formed from the given rule for the nth term? Take the correct answer. So the rule is n square minus n. Putting n equal to 1. So 1 square minus 1. That means 1 times 1, that is 1 minus 1. 1 times 1 is 1 minus 1, that is 0. Putting n equal to 2. So 2 square minus n, that is 2. So 2 square means 2 times 2, 4 minus 2. That is equal to 2. Finding the third term, putting n equal to 3. So 3 square again, n square minus n. N is 3. So 3 square means 3 times 3, 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. Now finding the fourth term, putting n equal to 4. So n square, 4 square minus n, minus 4. So 4 square means 4 times 4, that is 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is 12. So we can see the 4 terms 0, 2, 6, 12. So our correct answer is part B. In question number 3, a number sequence is formed starting at 60 and then repeatedly following 4 steps: dividing by 3, adding 4, multiplying by 2, and adding 6. The first two numbers in the sequence are 60 and 20. So, what are the next 3 numbers? So, if we start at 60 and we divide by 3, we do get 20. That is the second number in the sequence. So, the third number in the sequence is by adding 4 to this answer. So 20 plus 4, that is 24. So this is our third number. Now the fourth number will be got by multiplying by 2. So 24 times 2 gives us 48. And then to find the last term, we will add 6. So 48 plus 6 gives us 54. So the final terms we get as 24, 48 and 54. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful, and for more such informative videos, don't forget to subscribe 11 Plus Help Club YouTube channel.